Hello to all my fellow day traders. Welcome to 14th June 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 20.5 points down move at the level of 11,899. Indian markets is poised for a negative move again in the markets. 101.94 points up on Dow Jones, 44 points up on Nasdaq, and S&P up by 11.8 points. Though the US markets have upped the ante of rising in the market, it seems that there are more reforms which would come up in between China and US with respect to trade wars, and by 25th of June it seems like all the US commodities which are going to US would have to be paid 100% more of the import duties which are imported from China. So that's what is being implemented from 25th. So we have to wait and watch what is going to happen, but it is quite evident on the markets that the Indian markets are actually falling because of that, because of the global fears as well. There is a bit of resistance at the level of 12,000 as well. That's actually leading to the fall as well. So that is the SGX Nifty and US markets for you today. So it's seeing the US markets and SGX Nifty. Indian markets will open in negative or flat in today's pre-open and continue to open session as well. So Indian markets, let's draw the Fibonacci retracement from the highs it has actually made to the low it has actually made. So the high is 11,771 levels, which is the all-time high, which is the previous all-time high, and now 12,100 is the new all-time high. It seems like Indian markets is all poised to go upwards in today's session. It is quite possible that we may end up towards the level of 12,000. We actually closed at the level of 11,914 yesterday, so we may end up towards the 12,000, or at least we may cross the level of 11,926 or 936 levels, which is one more all-time high Indian markets have actually faced. So that being said, let us see what Indian markets are supposed to have the resistances and supports as. The supports being the levels of 11,900, which seems like it would be a barred in the pre-open session itself. If that is barred, the level of 11,861 levels, 11,820 levels, and 11,800 and 11,771, those are the supports we have to watch out for. If we have to look at the resistances, there are multiple resistances now. 11,936 is a very strong resistance for the market because it was an all-time high previously. So what about the next resistance? 11,960 levels and 11,985, 12,000 and 12,041 levels and 12,100 levels are the levels of resistance we have to watch out for. Slow stochastic is at 63 and fast stochastic is at 57, denoting that we are not in an overbought zone or an oversold zone. We may go upwards or downwards, that does not matter. So MACD is quite turning out to be negative. There is a momentum death. The market is not plunging anyways, so there is momentum death. There is not much of momentum which can draw the market to higher highs. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.